Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today's a big day. We're chopping the houseboat in half. If you're new to the channel, this is Rogue Wave, which is our little web series for everything related to boats. And we're documenting our restoration of our old houseboat, the Enigma. In the description, I'll put a link to a playlist for the previous videos, so you can go back and watch those if you want to understand why we're chopping the houseboat in half. For the car people out there, we've got some videos coming up on the race car and how we did in the last race. But today, it's all about the boat. We're getting all the saws we can find laid out. Ricky and Cody are on the way, and today we're cutting this houseboat in half. So let's get going. So I'm out here today welding the frames to hold this thing up when we cut it in half. That way the roof doesn't collapse in on itself. Cat. A little random kitten just showed up a couple weeks ago. So if anyone needs a free cat, we've got one. It's sweet. Little boat cat. Anyway, it's not the best idea to weld out here in the fiberglass and wood boat. I lit a piece of foam on fire, but there's not really any way around that. Can't really weld a big frame like this and then bring it inside the boat. There's no way to get it in here, so we've just got to weld in the boat and try not to light the whole thing on fire. But it's a nice day. We've got the Blue Angels are flying. There's an air show today. Nice day outside. So we're gonna get this thing finished up, get ready to cut this thing in half. All right, Ricky, you gonna make the first cut?
Yep, I will make sure this boat never floats again.
Never gonna float again. We're gonna start on the sides with the old circular saw. Ricky's gonna make the first cut right about here. And then it's all downhill from there. All right, R.I.P. Enigma. Oh, oh, good God. This was a perfectly good boat till you came over. All right. We've cut through both sides of the boat and the top. Now we've got to get inside the boat, cut through the bottom, and hope it doesn't cave in on us as we do it. Cody still hasn't made it. It's been about an hour and a half since he said he was getting out of the shower, I think. He'll probably be here at the very end. He doesn't want to get fiberglass on him. I don't blame him, because this is pretty miserable. Just wait until you get in bed tonight.
I'll take a shower, be fine.
Oh yeah, sure.
I'll take a beer.
No, you don't want a beer yet.
Tacos? You shut up just at the very end, man.
Is that it?
It's good timing.
Look like you're cooking meth.
It's, yeah.
Heisenberg.
Yeah. Hey. That's how it goes.
Yeah, it's squeezing it out here now. Said it's squeezing it. All the top is your suit is now tainted. There she is. That's it. I saw the whole thing shift.
Now that the boat's cut in half, we're gonna jack up the four corners of the Boat Ruiner 5000 that we built in the last video. We're gonna try and roll this thing backwards. We're gonna see if these casters can hold up. They're only rated for 600 pounds. Cheapo Harbor Freight casters. They're made of plastic. Cody thinks they're gonna shatter. We'll find out.
Boat Ruiner 5000 in action. Wait, was it 5,000 or 3,000? The Boat Ruiner.
5,000.
5,000. All right.
Are you taking weight off it?
Yeah.
Is it working?
Yeah.
Watch your eyes. If these casters blow out, it's gonna shoot you now with plastique.
Yeah. We're off here.
Okay.
We're off here. We're off here.
Oh.
She's on the casting.
So Ricky wants to use the S2000. He's gonna call it the S2000. Try and pull this section of the boat back 9 feet. Even though we've got a perfectly good old diesel international truck right here, or the old SWAT van, or an old Polaris Ranger, or the old beat up Ford truck, or Cody's work truck. But no, I'm gonna use the little S2000 just to show that Honda VTEC power can actually do something good besides look like a tool driving down the road. What do you think that little tow hook's rated for?
10 pounds?
10 pounds? Okay.
Give it one more ratchet.
Tow hook's gonna fly out.
Yeah. Oh, that's it.
Yeah, it's supposed to say VTEC. What's up with that? Oh! There, perfect. Okay. Wait, if it rolls that easy just ratcheting it, it might take off into the yard.
Well, I'm gonna stand on that side and push for all the
Push? Okay, it's all you, Ricky. I'm gonna sit on the lawnmower in case things go sideways. I don't think these casters are gonna hold, man.
I think we go good and slow, we're gonna be fine. Easy, killer.
Can't hear anything with the lawnmower going.
Easy is what I said.
I'm giving it everything.
Is there still something holding?
Do you need some lawnmower help?
Hang on.
No, nothing's holding. It's just a Honda. Can't pull it off. Oh, that might help. Aim the casters the right way. Okay.
Why'd I start in the grass?
I'm gonna help you with the lawnmower.
Let's try that.
Yeah, launch off the rev limiter. It's creaking. Let me assist you with the lawnmower.
This side's free. Is that side free of everything?
I don't know. Let's help with the lawnmower some.
Something's still holding over here. Everything's separated, but that's pulled tighter than shit. Huh?
You guys trying to pull the whole boat?
We didn't get all the way through, you sure?
Yeah, that's only, yeah.
I don't know.
Dude, everything's moving with ease except this side.
Hmm.
And it's pinched that side tight as fuck. That ain't holding all that pressure.
It looks like something right there. But
It is, you
right there. Yeah. That's where it looks like.
Nah, we made it all through that.
there it is.
There.
Oh.
Yeah.
See?
That's what I was saying. It looks like right there.
Well, you're right. Damn. Good. Okay. Found it. Try again. Let me get back in the position again. Nice.
It's not on wheels.
Oh man. We ruined this damn boat.
It's kind of crazy.
Nice work, man.
That.
That little
was it?
piece.
That little
was holding
splitter?
us.
That's what was holding it.
Jeez. It's the power of
Some good-
wood,
that's
man.
Some good wood in there.
Some good 1970s wood. All right, well, that's the end of the Enigma. Look, you can see how rotted out. Look at this.
That's nice.
That wasn't doing anything.
Yeah, man, it's ballast.
That wasn't doing anything. That stringer shot. This one was good.
That one's been replaced at some point in its life, I almost guarantee you.
That's one, the main keel shot. That shot. Hey, this one's all right.
I bet those
So we had
two have
two.
been replaced.
We had 2 good stringers. Wow.
Hopefully it'll be that easy to put it back together.
All right, guys, I think I'm gonna end the video there. It's kind of weird standing in the boat, seeing a giant gap between the back section, but that's what we wanted to do. So the next videos, we're gonna be bringing that other section in here, try to get everything lined up, fiberglassed in. Oh, there's Boat Cat. I think it's kind of upset we chopped its house in half. I'm not sure what Boat Cat's gonna do now. We'll figure it out. Anyway, we'll see you guys on the next one.